try skate with me dito lang sa house, which is malaki-laki na din yung house. So let's get my skate. So soon I'm gonna buy inline skate. Pero sana makabili tayo. So let's get now. So medyo mabilang. Ay. So ilagay na tayo yung skates natin. So kahit sira na yung skates ko, wala pa rin akong paa. Basta magka-skate lang. Gusto ko yung skates na yung parang sa kaklase ko. Pero inline. Sige, skate. Wait lang po, tabi ko to. Okay ko naman siya. Hindi ako makaskate ng properly kasi sira na. So let's get something here. Marshmallow. It's so stale that I cannot even chew it anymore. God, that's so hard. Let's check on the Dubai chocolate and the wax. It already froze. It's a bit melted. So that's all, guys. Bye.